Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. If you are new, my name's Natalie. I do college beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my upcoming content and to join the family. Today's video is going to be how I use my iPad Pro every day, and I'm super excited to do this video because you guys really seem to enjoy the iPad videos here on my channel. I did one iPad video, which was how I take notes on my iPad Pro. I'll link that up here and you guys can go check that out. But that video has become very popular on my channel and I'm surprised that it blew up that fast. You guys really seem to enjoy that video. And I basically just show you guys how I take notes on my iPad and the apps that I use for note taking. So you can go check that video out. And then I also did a what's on my iPad Pro 2020 video. I'll link that up here as well and in the description down below as well, so you guys can go watch that. So I'm doing another iPad Pro video today, and I'm just going to show you guys how I use my iPad Pro every day and basically just on a daily basis. I forgot what I was going to say, but I know there's a lot of people right now that are thinking about going paperless or digital, or who are already digital and paperless. So I figured this would be helpful for those of you that are thinking about becoming a paperless student or thinking about getting a iPad. And I'm telling you right now, my iPad is the best thing. It's a game changer. And I got this iPad 2019 Christmas last year. So this past spring semester 2020 is when I had my first semester being a majority of the time like a paperless student. I still have my planner, which is all on paper, but as far as notes and everything, it's all on my iPad, and I really enjoyed being a paperless student. My backpack was a lot lighter. I didn't have to do a bunch of like school supply shopping. It just makes everything a lot easier. It's really nice knowing that I have all my notes and everything on this little device, and it's really easy to just take on the go and stick in my backpack. So I'm saying that my iPad is just a game changer. I still use my laptop. It's actually like right over there, and I mainly use that for editing right now because I'm not taking any summer classes. So for the most part, I am using my iPad for anything on a daily basis. So that's what this video is going to be about. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any video requests, don't forget to leave them in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is unlock my iPad and set it up like a computer. I turn up the brightness, and I also like to use the warm tone setting because it's easier on my eyes. The first thing I like to use my iPad Pro for is to check my emails. I find that checking my emails on my iPad is really easy to use, and it just gives me a really quick access for my emails, and I find that very helpful. I also really like how easy it is to switch from using the Apple Pencil to using my finger with a touchscreen. Another thing I like to use my iPad Pro for is to check my YouTube channel. I really enjoy responding to your comments, checking my analytics, all that fun stuff that has to do with my YouTube channel. And I find that this keyboard/case is really great. The accuracy of the pressure when I'm typing is awesome, and I find that it holds my iPad really well. So I'll have this case/keyboard in the description box so you guys can go check that out. So moving on to the main reason why I decided to get an iPad Pro is for note taking and for school use. I am using the Goodnotes app for my note taking, and the reason why I chose Goodnotes over Notability was just the overall look of Goodnotes, and it just looked a lot simpler to use. I have the older version of Goodnotes, which is Goodnotes 4, but I will be upgrading to Goodnotes 5 soon. The reason why I like taking notes on my iPad Pro is, one, it saves a lot of paper. 2, it makes my backpack a lot lighter, and 3, I like how I have everything on one device because it makes it easier to access. As you can see, the handwriting is pretty accurate with my Apple Pencil. I think the comfort level is great as well. It feels like I'm using a normal pen or pencil to write with. I also like how quick it is to access the highlighter and pen. It's just really easy to switch over from one to the other. You're also able to add text to your notes like I'm doing right now. I'm just typing a sentence. And you also have the option to change the font of the text as well as making it bigger and moving it around on the page. Another way I like to use my iPad Pro for school is with PowerPoint and Word. A lot of times our professors like to upload their lecture notes on Canvas, and I have them downloaded on my iPad. That way I can follow along during lecture and write stuff down on the PowerPoint slides. I use Word when my classmates send me their notes or I download any documents or need to type anything. I also use my iPad Pro to use Canvas, which is how the students access our homework assignments, grades, or notes. When it comes to exporting my notes, I usually export them to Dropbox or Google Drive, and this just helps free space on my iPad. I normally like to keep my notes during the semester and just export them after the semester is over. That way I always have my notes to refer back to if I need them. Something I really love about the iPad Pro is the split screen option, and this is really great for when you want to have multiple screens open. On the left I have Goodnotes, and on the right I'm using Safari, and a lot of the times I really like to have a textbook open and take notes on the other side, so I find that the split screen option is really great for multi-use. Another way I use my iPad Pro is making a to-do list, as I'm doing right now. So I normally have a separate planner for this, but I just wanted to show you guys that you are able to use the Notes app that comes on the iPad Pro. As you can see, you are able to write pretty neatly on this, and you can change the colors, you can change the different pen style. You don't have to purchase a separate app specifically for notes or for planning, so I just wanted to show you guys that you didn't need to pay for an additional app. You can just use the one that comes on the iPad itself. Sometimes I like to use the Sketchbook app on my iPad to get really cute and creative thumbnails for my YouTube videos, and I find that it's really easy to do this on my iPad Pro, especially with the Apple Pencil. So I normally just upload a picture and I just doodle on it, add arrows, add text, outline anything, and I think this is just a really great way to make your thumbnails look creative and artsy without trying too hard. So I find that the iPad Pro is really a great option for those of you that like to do cute thumbnails like this. One last thing I want to show you guys when it comes to using my iPad Pro is watching YouTube videos. I really love to watch YouTube videos throughout the day on my iPad. I love the quality, the colors, the audio is really great as well. Also, when it comes to using the keyboard to type things out, I love how easy it is to press one button that pulls up all the emojis. I think that's really awesome and cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful if you're deciding to get an iPad. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.